Hello everyone, I'm Matt LIER and this is an FNN News Break. In health news, hiccups affect millions of people every day. Severe cases can last for years, resulting in a lack of oxygen, trouble sleeping, and profuse vomiting. A doctor in Texas has discovered a radical new cure called HICCUPS, an L-shaped plastic straw, which resets the diaphragm and cures afflicted individuals instantly. However, it may be a while before we actually see this technology work its wonders, as environmental activists have made sure to ban the plastic straw, because it may one day find its way inside a turtle's nose. So, until we can find a more environmentally sound cure, we will just have to continue curing hiccups the old-fashioned way, with paper bags, glasses of water, and of course, jump scares. I'm Matt LIER, and this has been an FNN News Break.